Alright guys, it's Kinetic Grove, Troy here, back with Sierra Madre again. We're going to check out the XL Air Pad now. This is an amazing sleep pad, guys. Don't go away, come check this out. Alright guys, you've seen me describe this air pad to you once before in a video I recently did a couple weeks ago. We're going to get a little bit more in-depth with it this time around. Now, upon taking it out of its own stuff sack, you'll notice that it comes with bungees with grommets attached at each corner of the air mattress. It does also come with its own air sac, which provides not nozzles as I thought before, valves. So you've got a valve on your bag here, and you have a valve also on your air pads.